Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this helpful tips video, we'll learn how to unhide the grid lines, formula bar, headings, tabs, and page breaks in Excel. If you want to hide the grid lines, we'll go to this View tab and uncheck this grid lines. The grid lines are hidden. If you want to unhide this formula bar, we can uncheck this formula bar. If you want to hide the headings here, we can click on these headings and the headings are hidden. Suppose if these options are already hidden, we can select this View tab and check all these options. Now, if you want to get back this grid lines, we can check this grid line. We'll get back the grid lines. If you want to get the formula bar, check this formula bar option. We get the formula bar. If you don't find the headings, we can check this heading checkbox. We'll get the headings. If you want to hide the tabs, we can click an option here, the right side of our screen, which says ribbon display options. When we click on this option, we get three different options here. First one says auto hide ribbon, show tabs and commands. This portion, what we see here, this is called as ribbon. This is the tabs. These are the commands. Suppose if you want to hide the ribbon, if you click on this option, the ribbon is hidden along with the toolbar. If you want to have the tabs, if you click on this, only the tabs will be visible. And if you want to get the command bar, we can just click on this, we'll get the command bar. When we click outside on the screen, the command bar is hidden. If you want to get the tabs and the commands, click on this, we'll get the commands as well as the tabs. We can also double click on these tabs so that the commands are hidden. Again, suppose if you double click, we'll get back this commands. If you go to this view, we have an option ruler which is disabled. This will be enabled when we click on this page layout view. This ruler option will be available in this page layout option. Now the ruler is here. If you select this sheet, we can see the ruler here. If you go to this view and uncheck this, the ruler is hidden. If you come back to this normal page, we'll have something like this. Now suppose if you have a page breaks, you go to this options, advanced, you scroll down here, we get the page breaks. If I say OK, we can get this page breaks here. This will help us in knowing from which cell to which cell the print will happen. If you go to this page break preview, we can see the sheet which will get printed here, the area which we print. Now if you want to hide these page breaks, you can go to this file, options, advanced, scroll down. We can uncheck this page breaks and the page breaks are gone. We have the sheet tabs. If you want to hide the sheet tabs or show these sheet tabs, you can go to this file, options, advanced, scroll down. Here we get show sheet tabs in display options on this workbook option. Uncheck this and say OK. The sheet tabs are hidden. Click on this file, options, advanced. We scroll down. If we enable this show sheet tabs, we'll get back the sheet tabs. So this is how you can use the checkboxes, the options, enable or disable to get the grid lines, formula bars, headings, ruler, or the sheet tabs. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video.